The SnapSafe combination lockbox comes preset at 000. Make sure all three digits are centered on the 0 and then open. Once opened, change the lever from A to B underneath the lock. For this demonstration, we are going to preset the combination at 1, 2, 3. Once our combination has been changed to 1, 2, 3, we move the lever from B to A. Now, with the combination set at 1, 2, 3, we can open the lockbox at any time. However, to lock the lockbox, you need to scramble the code and make sure that it's not resting on your 1, 2, 3 combination. As you can see, it is locked and will not open. However, when we go to our combination, it opens right up. Thanks for watching this video.